Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to KEMARI Reaction. How are you guys doing today? I just want to say thank you guys so much for coming back. Thank you guys so much for commenting and subscribing and giving me suggestions. I really do appreciate it. Now, enjoy. Bye. Okay, so I didn't react to all of them. Apparently, I still got one more video. RYUHEI, the 15-year-old with the vocals already, who's tall. I think he's like 6 foot. Like he's tall, but this is his version in the birdcage. So. Don't quote me too much, okay? Don't. Come on, vocals. Remember, he's 15, guys. Oh. Oh, that was nice. Okay, that was nice. That was nice.
Just dream oversize この際値札は重要じゃない常に身にまとったないソーレーションのブランドもはない古びたゲージから今君をこの次のステージまで連れ去りに来たエイリアンさI wanna hear you scream 最高が何なのか証明しよう圧倒するこのステージ Scream it loud, scream it loud 冷静になんてさせない Scream it loud, scream it loud
Okay, RYUHEI. Okay, we see you, RYUHEI. You know, guys, always remember he's 15. You will go to jail. But anywho, I really do love it. I think he did such a good job. The cage scene, I guess because he's 15 and he's innocent, you know, he's in cage. I don't know. But anywho, I do enjoy it. I really do love the music video. I really do love the song. I think whoever produced that song did such a good job. Like, give those people a raise. But anywho, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. Get as soon as possible. As always, who could you besides you? I really do appreciate it.